Translation is a useful plurilingual practice that teachers can implement in the classroom. This video is brought to you by the Plurilingual Lab and is funded by the Fonds de Recherche du Québec, Société et Culture. Translation is an instinctive linguistic function that we come across in our daily lives. It makes it possible to communicate by going beyond language borders. In the classroom, it could be used as a pedagogical strategy for plurilingual instruction. Whenever there's a new expression, vocabulary, or grammatical item in the lesson, teachers can plan activities that engage students in using the languages in their repertoire. For example, teachers can ask students to translate new items into languages they already know and compare their meaning, pronunciation, and usage to their counterparts in English. Translation can also be used in literature classes. When covering one of Shakespeare's work, for example, teachers can ask students to analyze in writing and in English the different elements of the text and then present their analysis orally to the class in any other language in their repertoire. They can also choose multilingual songs known as mashups in languages one or more students are familiar with. Students can then compare the themes and lyrics of the songs, whether they are similar or different from English. Play role can also be a very engaging activity that students really enjoy. Teachers can ask students to choose a destination whose language is different than theirs and explain how they can use translation to navigate their way. Not only translation cuts across language barriers and creates common understanding among learners, it can also be very fun. How would you use translation in the classroom?